What's happening, guys? So I have this PS2 that's kind of all mangled up, and it has no power, and I'm pretty sure it's dead. So I'm gonna take this apart and go through this similarly to what I did with the Xbox in my previous video. So I'm just gonna start taking this guy apart. I'm gonna go through what all the parts are in there. So let's start off with opening this guy up. There's these little caps here, remove those. It's pretty easy to take this guy apart. So they have these little caps here. Opens up the screw. Open up the screws so you can unscrew them. There you go, that was easy. Screws for the scrap metal, not that it's worth much, and I also don't collect the scrap metal myself anymore, since or scrap steel I should say, just because I don't have the space for it. So once you unscrew everything, there's a little security tab here, or sticker. Remove that. So you got a little power eject board here, which should have some value. I've never actually sold any PS2 parts, but I'm definitely going to try and see what happens. So that's the jack power button, which I just removed, and seems to be working. I have another PS2, so I'm definitely gonna test this out. Piece of junk plastic, can't really be used since it's all busted. Memory card slot.